What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Challenger. Today on the Saturday evening, we are at a frigid 20 degrees. So I figured it'd be a good time to do a nice cold start video with the vibrant resonators. You could also check out that new sunshade, you know what I mean? So it is super cold out here today. Have not started the car in at least a week or so, unfortunately, due to snow and salt all over the roads. So let's get a cold start on this beast, see how it sounds. Stock headers, stock cats, replace the mid mufflers with vibrant 1794 resonators, and still have the stock factory resonators. Let's start her up.